In today's video, we're diving into how to offer priority support to premium customers, and I'll show you exactly what steps to take to provide this level of service quickly and effectively. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a solid plan for enhancing your customer experience and boosting loyalty with your top-tier clients. The first step to offering priority support is setting up a separate communication channel for your premium customers. This can be through a dedicated email inbox, a direct phone line, or even a live chat option that's only available to them. By segmenting your customers in this way, you can ensure that premium users don't get lost in the crowd and that their needs are met faster. Next, prioritize their requests. If you're using a customer support platform, look for one that lets you tag or categorize requests by customer type. When a premium request comes in, automatically flag it so your support team knows to treat it as high priority. This way, no matter who's handling the request, they know it's crucial and needs attention right away. Offering a faster response time is also key. Set expectations with your premium customers by letting them know that you're there to provide a quicker response. This could mean responding to their inquiries within an hour or providing them with a direct line to your most experienced support team members. You can do this through your support platform by setting internal response time SLAs, service level agreements, for premium customers. Another big one is proactive support. For your premium customers, it's essential to reach out before they even ask. This can be through regular check-ins or offering them personalized tips that help them get the most out of your product or service. This kind of proactive support shows you care and are invested in their success, building trust and loyalty. You'll also want to offer your premium customers access to exclusive resources. This can be anything from personalized tutorials and guides to early access to new features or products. Giving them an edge by providing these added benefits not only helps them, but also reinforces the value of their premium status. Now, you might be wondering how to keep track of all of this while making it manageable. I've tested out all the popular support software, and the software I'll be recommending in the description below is hands down the best one for offering priority support to premium customers. It allows you to set up custom workflows, track requests, and give your top-tier clients a tailored experience. Plus, you can sign up for an exclusive free trial available only to viewers of my channel, so you can follow along and implement this right away. To wrap it up, the key takeaway here is that offering priority support to premium customers is about creating a system that makes them feel valued and important. From creating a separate communication channel to providing faster response times, proactive support, and exclusive resources, it's all about delivering a personalized experience that makes them feel like they're your top priority. So, to quickly recap, here are the key steps. 1. Set up a dedicated communication channel. 2. Prioritize premium requests with flags or tags. 3. Offer faster response times with internal SLAs. 4. Proactively reach out with check-ins and personalized tips. 5. Provide exclusive resources like early access and tailored guides. Lastly, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we've been discussing in the description below. It's a game changer for offering priority support to your premium customers.